Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Kolio, and today we will be doing random duos without speaking to my partner. Make sure to subscribe and hope you enjoy. Okay, blue attack. Oh, someone here. My channel. I'll save you, bud. Okay, that was like my aim assist turned off. It also was not letting me move. Like I was doing the joystick around like a bunch. It's not working. Wait, hold on. I need to get my battle royale sweaty skin on. So yeah. You guys will also see my locker and what skins I have, so these are the only skins I have. Yeah, it's pretty depressing. This is like my favorite combo right here. I don't know if I just stick with these or if I switch back to this. This is what I normally use. Yeah, so I have all those pickaxes, gliders, back blings. Yeah, oh yeah, I have the banana back bling, whatever it's called. Yeah. So let me shoot my gliders again. You really get a good look at that. Yeah, so I have ever since let's see, which is one? Yeah, this is from season 3. Season 7. I don't remember when this was. I think this was season 4. This is season 6, season 8, and season 9. And this 5. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I've been playing for a while. These are all the things I have. Gun wrap skins, all that stuff. You don't really need to see any of that because there's really no point. Yeah, so basically do random everything else. Okay, our duo partner is Cars Live. He has a mic, and it's reflecting the sound. That's really, really annoying. Okay, let's go to Mega Mall. Yes, okay, we're dropping Mega Mall, guys. We're dropping Mega Mall. Wait till I'm like right over Dusty, and then I'm gonna jump. So I'm gonna jump like right here. Okay. You guys will hear double the sounds probably because of his headset. I don't know what it's from, but like yeah, you're gonna hear like my noise and his noise. Cause yeah, I shoot a gun. I'm right next to him. I'll be able to hear his gun. Like, it's like it's coming through to his mic. I'm gonna drop right here just to let him know. Because you have to use markers a bunch in this game. I mean, okay, you're just in my house. Great job. Yeah. Anyways, you need to use markers a bunch when you're doing random duos because you want to be able to like tell them where enemies are. All that stuff. I bet everyone knows that. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna drop this to combat. I'm gonna let him get it. I don't really want it. Yeah, he's coming to get it right now. My loot, bud. Did you guys see that? He came to steal the loot. See, I don't let that happen. Okay, is he okay? Let's rush these kids. They'll have no idea that they're about to get blasted by a default skin. And my skin. The AR's in here. Oh my gosh. Dude, you just got one pumped. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, it really feels bad. No, we had to finish him, of course. Oh, that's what you call teamwork right there. That was pretty sick. That's pretty sick. I should have picked up the drum gun before my teammate got it, but it's fine. I got these bandages. I always make sure I have one healable in my inventory so that like I can always heal. Okay, that says minigun is legendary. I'm gonna see. I don't think that. Oh, he did leave it. Let's go. Hey, let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's rush these. Let's rush them. Rush them. Why am I trying to talk to him? Okay, I'm rushing them. They're at such low HP. Did he just kill himself? Oh my god, he killed himself. He saw how good it was and he just like kill me now. Yeah, at least I still got the kill, right? No, he's such low HP. Go on, get him, get him, get him. How is he not dead? Here, hurry, rise. There's literally guys right there. Hurry. Why am I trying to talk to him? People are gonna have minis in the late game. I'm keeping the minis. We need circles so bad they right here. Okay, I got sweats. I don't get how I hit that shot. Wait, did we just win? Oh my gosh, bro, we actually just won. Hey, let's go. Hey, GG, man. Good job, bro. Sick. It's a good game. I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video. I had tons of fun making it. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more Battle Royale videos. So if you want, I can do them. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a streamer video. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out.